go through what the
Yes, I
Supreme
have
Court
gone through.
verdict
I have
was.
gone
Yes,
through.
then
I have
don't
gone-
ask me that question again.
You
Go through
are
what
running
the
away from the
Supreme
question
Court
then.
was. Yes.
You are running away from the
No,
question.
just go through the Supreme Court.
You are running away
You
from
have
the
the
question.
answer. Okay, you.
You
as a
आपने
new
आपने
medium
कहा
have to
नहीं.
go
Yes,
and
yes.
say, okay.
My role is to ask you the
Let
question.
me tell you, today, ST are the landowner, the scheduled tribe. No general will be included. And why they want to become ST? To grab the land, to grab our job that is
that is the
given to
court
us.
will
That is the
decide.
right given to us.
That
If the
is-
court is going to be decided, don't ask me. I'm not the court.
Okay, so she is not able to answer my question. The question is, I'm here to decide who will be in the ST. This can't be the reason. It is happening in India. Lot of caste is converted from the ST also. They have given the ST status also. This is not the first time court has given the order. Look, what I am saying, you are not to decide what court will do. Who will be in ST?
I hope you hear
Yeah.
the last Supreme Court hearing.
People has commented on my video that why don't you ask the cookies community also for the clarification. I came here and asked the clarification, but they ran away from the camera. दोस्तों नमस्कार, मणिपुर इज ऑन बॉयल. ये पोस्टर लगा के आज कुकी कम्युनिटी के लोग यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं और लगातार कुकी कम्युनिटीज़ के लोग जंतर मंतर पे आते रहे हैं और डिमांड करते रहे कि मणिपुर में पीस होना चाहिए. वहीं पे मैंने कई मेतई कम्युनिटी के इंटरव्यू आप लोगों को दिखाया जिसमें मेतई कम्युनिटी के लोग भी कहते हैं कि पीस होना चाहिए. My first question is, you want peace, Meitei community wants peace, then why there is no peace in Manipur? What is the reason?
See, I have seen the Meitei representative on TV saying that why are we not given president rule? We are saying the same thing. Why are we not giving the president rule? All these answer can be answered by the central government. Everybody want peace. Students are not going to school since 3rd May. Normal life has shut off. Prices are going up. Medicines are very expensive. Above all, no internet from 3rd May. Today, internet is our livelihood. All money transactions are done through internet. Every communication with videos and everything is done through internet. And I don't know why peace is not installed in Manipur. We ask Pradhan Mantri ji to say at least few words. We're still waiting. We ask the central government to intervene. We ask president rule. We believe in the central government. We believe in our home minister. We believe that our armed forces will be able to curtail some kind of violence, put all of us in our own area. The Meitei in the valley and the tribal people in the hills, especially Kuki Zo. Yes.
Thing is that right now the Meitei community is saying that the violence is due to the cookies communities. You people are also blaming the Meitei communities. The problem is Manipur is suffering right now. Essential commodity is not reaching over there. A lot of people who needs the medicine or treatment, he is not getting the medicine or treatment, something like that. The thing is that 90% land is occupied by the cookies community right now.
No, it's not.
Listen to me. Listen. The question I am putting you, which I have got from the several comments from the Meitei community. 90% hill area is covered by the cookies community. Cookies communities, and 10% Valley Imphal is with the Meitei communities. So they are saying if they get this ST status, after that they will be able to get the land in the hill area. Whereas you people are saying, then if they get the ST status, you will lose your land. Something like that the people are saying.
Let me tell you, if the court can change someone from general to ST, why can't they make me a pandit? Number one, why can't everybody say, hey, I don't want to be this, I can be, pandit, I can be whatever. So if the constitution is not respected, if the court can change who you are, then who do we trust? And let me clarify, you say Meitei are blaming us, you are blaming the Meitei. When the High Court order was there for Meitei to be included in ST, our people have a protest, peaceful protest, saying that you cannot include general category for ST. The court has no authority to change.
Yeah, madam, just a moment. This can't be the reason. It is happening in India. Lot of caste is converted from the ST also. They have given the ST status also. This is not the first time court has given the order.
Okay. How can Sharma, they are Meitei, some surname is Sharma, how can Sharma be included in the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe. Tell me, they have their OBC quota. We're not against that. And let me tell you, one more thing. You say that ST, they will become ST and become by land. Then why is there under the constitution the protection of ST? Remove that then.
Yes. What I am saying, you are not to decide what court will do. Who will be in ST?
I hope you hear the last Supreme Court hearing.
Yes.
You please study that.
Yeah,
Don't ask me that question.
No,
if you want to know the root
no,
cause,
you have to
I am
answer.
here
You are
to
saying
explain.
no. You have to
Go through what the
Yes, I
Supreme
have
Court
gone
verdict
through, I have
was.
gone
Yes,
through,
then
I have
don't
gone-
ask me that question again.
You-
Go through
you
what
are running
the
away from the
Supreme
question
Court
then.
was. Yes.
You are running away from the
no,
question.
just go through the Supreme Court.
You are running away
You
from
have
the
the
question.
answer. Okay. You
आपने आपने कहा नहीं. Yes, my role is to ask you the question.
Today, ST are the landowner, the scheduled tribe. No general will be included. And why they want to become ST? To grab the land, to grab our job that is
that is the
given to
court
us.
will
That is the
decide.
right given to us.
That
If the
is-
court is going to be decided, don't ask me. I'm not the court.
Okay, so she is not able to answer my question. The question is, I'm here to decide who will be in the ST. No, I can't, because the court, there is a procedure in courts. Court is giving the order, and if you ask this question, then they are not going to answer. So this is the problem right now. I have taken the interview of lot of Meitei people, and I wanted some answer from the Kuki side also. You people has commented on my video that why don't you ask the cookies community also for the clarification. I came here and asked the clarification, but they ran away from the camera, and they are not able to answer the questions. आज वहीं पे कुकीज़ कम्युनिटी जब जंतर मंतर पे इकट्ठी हुई तो इनका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू जानने के लिए जब हमने इनके इंटरव्यू लेने की कोशिश करी तो चंद सवाल के अंदर ही कैमरा छोड़ के भाग गई जो इंटरव्यू देने आई थी, जिन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है इस प्रोटेस्ट को। उनसे सवाल पहला मेरा ये था कि अगर कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर दिया है, ST रिकमेंडेशन करी है मितई के लिए, तो उस पर आपको एतराज़ क्यों है? वहीं पे 90% जो हिल एरिया है मणिपुर में, उस पर ज़्यादातर कुकीज़ रहते हैं। वहीं पे वैली में जहाँ पे 10% मात्र एरिया में 54% की आबादी जो मेतई कम्युनिटी है वो रहते हैं, और हिल में 90% जो जगह है वहाँ पे खास करके कुकीज़ रहते हैं। मेरा सवाल ये था कि आखिर ST का जो रिकमेंडेशन का कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर दिया उसके बाद जो हिंसा भर की है, आखिर इस ऑर्डर से आपको एतराज़ क्यों है? क्या यही एतराज़ है कि 90% जगह पे जहाँ पे आप रह रहे हैं आपको डर लग रहा है कि आपकी ज़मीन मेतई कब्जे में ले लेंगे? मेरा सवाल आगे और भी होने वाला था, जो पॉपी कल्टीवेशन की बात है, जो कुकी मिलिटेंट की बात है, जो मणिपुर में हिंसा का कई वजह जो बताए जा रहे हैं खास करके, हालांकि इंटरनेट वहाँ पे बंद है, लेकिन सवालों से भागती नजर आ रही कुकी की तरफ से जो यहाँ पे रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आए थे कैमरे के सामने में, वो जवाब देने के बजाय वो भाग खड़ी हुई। और मेरा कोशिश था कि मैं जनता तक उन बातों को पहुँचाऊँ ताकि जनता इस बात को समझ सके कि आखिर वजह क्या है, आखिर कुकी और मेतई दोनों कम्युनिटी जब पीस चाहती है तो आखिर वहाँ पे वायलेंस का वजह क्या है। और इन सब के बीच में खास करके वहाँ के जो मौजूदा सरकार है वीरेंद्र सिंह, जिसके प्रति लोगों ने अपना विश्वास खो दिया है, चाहे मेतई हो, मेतई को भी ज़्यादातर लोग कहते हैं कि ठीक है वीरेंद्र सरकार को हम उस पर विश्वास नहीं करते हैं, चाहे खास करके कुकीज़ कम्युनिटी भी यही कहते हैं। केंद्र सरकार के यहाँ ये रिक्वेस्ट लेके आते हैं कि वहाँ पे आप एक्शन लीजिए, लेकिन कोई एक्शन तो नहीं हो रहा है। लेकिन सवाल जवाब से अगर आप भागेंगे तो जनता तक आपकी बात कैसे पहुंचेगी? एक तरफ आप शांति की बात करते हैं, आप भी पीस की बात करते हैं, लेकिन आप सवाल के जवाब देने से अगर भागेंगे तो इसका मतलब है कि कहीं ना कहीं जनता आपको गलत समझेगी। हमारा कोशिश ये था कि इनकी भी बातों को आगे रखा जाए ताकि जनता इस बात को समझे कि आखिर कुकी कम्युनिटीज़ को जो लगातार मेतई इल्ज़ाम लगाते हैं कुकीज़ पे, कुकी इल्ज़ाम लगाते हैं मेतई पे, आखिर आज कुकी का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू मैंने जब जानने की कोशिश करी तो ST रिकमेंडेशन के ऊपर आखिर इनको एतराज़ क्या है। पॉपी कल्टीवेशन हो गया, जो ड्रग्स का अड्डा बताया जा रहा है हिल एरिया में, खास करके कुकीज़ कम्युनिटी को, कुकी मिलिटेंट्स की बातें करें, इन सब चीज़ों पे क्लैरिफिकेशन मांगने की जब हम कोशिश कर रहे थे, लेकिन वो कैमरा छोड़ के भाग गए, ये आप देख सकते हैं। नमस्कार।